Best bites forever.
I'm going to start off here by cutting off both ends of the watermelon. And as you can see, I have a pretty large watermelon here, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the whole thing in half right down the middle. If you happen to be working with one of those mini watermelons, you can probably skip this step. Don't worry if your cut isn't perfect. Separate your two halves and put one over to the side. Here you have a couple of choices. You can go ahead and just cut this into fours and then you can slice it into the triangles, but you can also turn it the other way and slice it like this, and that will give you nice, neat little kind of squares that you can give to everybody. If you don't want the squares, of course, you can turn it the other way and simply slice that into the triangles. There's also one more good option here for you, which this is my kids' favorite way for me to cut up a watermelon. What I do is I take it and I remove the rind off of the outside. Just go around it with your knife. And once you get all of the rind removed, go ahead, flip it over, make sure that you got it from the other side as well, and then stand it up on its side and cut the watermelon into, what do you want to call them, like large flat pieces. Lay them down, line them up, go across them with your knife in one direction, turn your watermelon 90 degrees and go across it in the other direction. Now of course you have these beautiful little kind of bite-sized cubes that the kids can hold in their hands and eat like that. Enjoy your watermelon, everyone.
bestbitesforever.com